puree for pie, muffins, or pancakes. You'll need a small cooking pumpkin, not one of the big ones. With a sharp knife, cut off the stem. Be sure to cut into the top of the pumpkin, not the stem itself. Cut in half, starting from the top.
Is pumpkin a vegetable or a fruit?
Write us a comment and let us know which you think it is. Scoop out the inside with a spoon. It's fun to clean and roast your pumpkin seeds. It's okay if there are some stringy bits left. Place the two halves on a baking sheet, facing down. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes until the pumpkin is very soft. Flip the halves over to allow them to cool. Roasting the pumpkin deepens the flavor by releasing some of the water. It also caramelizes the sugar in the pumpkin, which adds sweetness and more nutty flavor. Using a spoon, separate the pulp from the peel. This should be easy to do. Pumpkin puree lasts in the fridge for a week and for a few months in the freezer. You can make it ahead of time and have it ready for your baking recipes whenever you need it. Transfer to a food processor or blender. Blend the pulp until it's a smooth puree.
You can also use a hand blender.
If you find this video helpful, please show us your appreciation with a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It really does help us. The puree will have a lot of liquid in it, so we prefer to strain it for a more concentrated flavor. Let it sit to strain for at least an hour. The pumpkin puree is ready to use in your favorite recipe. Pumpkin is so healthy. It's fun to find new ways to use it. If you liked our pumpkin puree video, we think you'll enjoy this one too. Thanks for watching!